What if I told you that Jesus is coming back? And the Prophet Muhammad described exactly how. This is not opinion, this is not interpretation. There are over 70 authenticated narrations, transmitted by so many companions that scholars call them mutawatir, impossible to fabricate. The return of Isa ibn Maryam, alayhi salam, is certain. He returns after the Dajjal has covered the earth in chaos. After Imam Mahdi has been leading the Muslims. After the world has been shaken to its core. And then, at the white minaret in the east of Damascus, while Muslims are preparing for Fajr prayer, the sky opens. The Prophet described this moment in Sahih Muslim. He said, Isa ibn Maryam will descend wearing 2 garments lightly dyed in saffron, his hands resting on the wings of 2 angels. When he lowers his head, water drops fall. When he raises it, drops like pearls scatter from it. And every disbeliever whose breath he reaches, will fall. His breath extends as far as the eye can see. He will find the Dajjal. The Dajjal, when he sees Isa, alayhi salam, will start to dissolve. Like salt dissolves in water. Isa, alayhi salam, will pursue him and kill him at the gate of Lud, in what is today Palestine. And then, in Sahih Bukhari, the Prophet said, he will rule as a just judge. He will break falsehood. He will establish justice. And money will be in such abundance that no one will accept it as a gift. Because everyone will already have enough. And then, this is the detail that will break your heart with love. The Prophet said, in an authenticated narration, Isa ibn Maryam will travel to Medina. He will come to my grave and greet me with salam. And I will answer him, Subhan Allah. The Prophet hoped to meet him. He said, if I am alive when he comes, I will go to him. And if I have passed, give him my salam. He will rule for 40 years. Justice, peace, abundance, no wars, no hatred. He will marry, have children, live as one of us. And then, he will die and be buried beside the Prophet in Medina. The 2 greatest humans to walk this earth, resting together until Qiyamah. Send salawah on the Prophet right now. And comment, Ya Isa, for the love of this blessed Prophet who is coming back. That's it. But his 40 years will not be without trial. Even after the Dajjal, another creature is coming. Yajuj and Majuj. The Prophet said, even Isa, alayhi salam, and his companions will have to make dua to Allah for protection. Subscribe and follow. Part 6 is coming.